as all my party people all around me feeling hot, hot, hot. We're going to be working on some heat problems today, problems 1 through 6 on your paper, as well as number 10. Okay, the rest of them are kind of more difficult. I'll make another video for that. Okay, let's go ahead and jump into the problem. 5 kilograms, that's mass. Initial temperature of 30 degrees Celsius, T initial. Heated by some hot glass dropped into it. If the final temperature is 35 degrees Celsius, T final. How much heat energy? So we're looking for Q. Is added to water. The specific heat of water is this. C water. C water. All right. So I'm looking for Q. So let's write the equation out. My Q is equal to MCAT. Mass, specific heat, change in temperature. So let's plug this bad boy in. My mass was 5. My C for water is 4180. My change in temperature is, I do my final, T final, minus T initial. So it's 35 minus 30. Get a temperature change of 5 degrees Celsius. Okay, so we multiply this out. We get 104,500 joules. And if you actually divided this by 4180, this is how many joules it takes to make a calorie, 4180, 4,180 joules. If you divided that, you could actually figure out the amount of calories. So like, think about your food, right? Your food's in calories. So let's take that 104,500 divided by 4180, and we get a nice round 25 calories. That's cool, right? This would be 25 calories. You don't have to worry about calories, but this is just in case you were interested. Okay, you can figure out how much food it would take to actually heat this water up like that. Okay, this is what happens in your body. It creates heat energy. All right, let's move down. If the glass in the previous problem lost that energy, because you know that if the water gained this energy, 25 calories, the glass had to have lost 25 calories. All right, the change, this is my Q for glass. The change of temperature is 10 degrees Celsius. That's nice, right? I didn't make you subtract. It's already given to you. What is the mass of the glass? So we're looking for mass from the previous problem. If the C of glass is 840, okay? So we Q equals MCAT again. Okay, this time I'm looking for my mass. So how do I get rid of C and change in T? How do I get rid of my C times my change in T? Okay, well these are multiplying, so I do the opposite of multiply. Whatever I do to one side, do the other, right? So take your Q, 104, 500, divided by my C, 840 times, my change in temperature, 10. Okay, and we're going to get, I'll put that in my calculator correctly, all right, we got about 12.4 kilograms of glass must have been added to the water. Cool.